Welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Sea Ray SPX 190. This boat is finished in the Sea Ray blue. It comes with the tandem axle swing tongue trailer that you see it on here. This is a bimini boat, equipped with that nice canvas bimini. Some great options inside. Follow me around back here. I'll show you some great features on the swim platform of this boat. You're gonna have a ski tow point center mounted here, great for tubing. You've got a latch right here that opens up your anchor light receptacle. You've got a 4-step telescoping boarding ladder over here under this nice latch. And then a nice grab handle center mounted there to grab as you're coming out of the water. As we step inside, you're gonna have some great storage right here in your walkthrough on this boat. Close this door up and show you some storage in there that also is where your battery switch access is. Got a door that opens and holds open on a magnetic catch. As we come further into the boat, we've got a very large engine compartment here, housing that Mercruiser 4.5 200 in this boat. It's a great power package, lots of fun to drive, and very easy to service as well. Coming further forward, this boat's gonna have the interior color in the stone that you see here with the seagrass woven matte flooring. On all of the 19 and 21 SPXs, you're gonna have this 2-position lounger here that rotates either direction with some storage up underneath. So we've got our life jackets in here at the moment. Cup holders all throughout the boat. Over at your driver's seat, you're gonna have a swiveling and sliding bucket seat here with a flip-up bolster. Your steering wheel is gonna be on a tilt base to customize your seating position. This boat's got the Simrad NSX series screen, as well as the Fusion Audio head unit right there. We've got some manual toggle switches off to the right here for your key components, your lights, your horn, things like that. And then your Mercury throttle and trim right over there. We've got 2 USBs for your captain, one up top, one down below, and plenty more throughout the boat as well. Right here beneath our feet, you'll see there's a very large ski locker on this boat. Great space to put tubes, things like that. We've got the cover in here at the moment. Coming up under your port side console here, just behind this windshield, you're gonna have some great storage for some additional items. You're also gonna have a glove box here for your passengers with a nice lock. More cup holders here as well, and then coming up to the bow, this boat's got a very deep, spacious bow. It's a very comfortable place to hang out. Got cup holders up here as well, lights, speakers, and there is storage under the seats up here. Last but not least, up here at the bow, this boat has a dedicated anchor locker with storage up at the very front. Great space to keep that anchor out from under your seats and keep it out of the way. That's been a quick walkthrough of this in-stock 2025 Sea Ray SPX 190. It's a phenomenal boat for the family, very turnkey and easy package to get out on the water in style. If you like this boat, give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by today. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.